Every major AI lab is making the same bet. Make the language model bigger, feed it more data, and intelligence will keep climbing. One man thinks that road hits a wall, and he would know. He built the test that has been humbling these models for years. His name is François Chollet. His new lab is called Ndea, like the word idea, but starting with an N. And he just raised $43 million to prove the whole industry wrong. So who is Chollet? He created Keras, the deep learning framework that taught a whole generation of engineers. His co-founder is Knoop, who built Zapier into a multi-billion-dollar company. For 2 years, they ran the ARC prize together, a contest built around Chollet's famous intelligence test. That test is deceptively simple. You see a few colored grids that change by some hidden rule. Then you solve a brand new one you have never seen before. The average person, with no practice at all, solves about 64% of them. For years, the best AI systems scored close to zero. That gap was Chollet's whole point. These models can recite the internet, but they struggle to reason about a pattern that is not already in their training data. Then, in late 2024, OpenAI's O3 model cracked it. It scored over 75%, and even higher when you let it use unlimited compute. Case closed. Not quite. It got there by burning a staggering amount of compute, brute forcing thousands of attempts. Powerful, but not the efficient, general intelligence Chollet is chasing. And that is the heart of his bet. Chollet thinks raw scale gives you better memory and better intuition, but never true reasoning. Ndea's plan is to fuse two things: the intuition of deep learning and the logic of something called program synthesis. The name even spells it out. Ndea comes from two Greek words, enoia meaning intuition, and dianoia meaning reasoning. So what is program synthesis? Instead of memorizing millions of examples, the AI writes a short program, actual code, that solves the problem from just a few clues. The hard part is there are nearly infinite programs it could try. So deep learning becomes the intuition, guessing which handful are actually worth testing. Memorize the answer, or write a tiny program that derives it. Chollet is betting the second path is how you get real invention. And the ambition does not stop at AGI. Ndea calls itself a factory for ideas, an engine to invent and commercialize discoveries across science. Drug discovery, new materials, clean energy. The pitch is an AI that does not just answer your questions, but comes up with genuinely new ones. Is he right? It is a real gamble. Almost the entire industry is pouring billions into scaling bigger models, betting against him. But here is why serious investors are backing him. This is the man who built the test that exposed what today's AI still cannot do. If anyone has earned the right to bet against the crowd, it is him.